So, I have snacks, and I'm making my meal prep for my morning eats. What do they call it? Breakfast. That's what they call it. But also because I have the munchies, it's 10 o'clock at night, and I got some really cool munchie ideas from, I think it was Brother Green Eats. I'll put the link below of where I got some of these snacks from. So, dates. Got to have dried dates. These are pitted. These are the Walmart brand. Who cares? Save yourself some money. When it comes to healthy eating, save yourself some money. There's a lot of healthy eating out there. And then you got the peanut butter. I got the junky peanut butter. It's not the natural peanut butter. But right now, this is all we got in the house. So I'm going to eat it. Peanut butter. And then yet again, I got my dark chocolate chips. I swear to God, I thought this was crazy, but this is a really good sweet treat. And I like kind of throwing this up in the morning because really there's like no chocolate at all in this thing. So, you're gonna get your thing, your date, rip that open, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Take your knife. Take your peanut butter. Get it. Good whopping like that. And then, see the middle right there? That middle. This middle. And you put your peanut butter right there. Just, yep. Right there. Like that. Like that. Yeah. And you take your chocolate chips. Only 4. Like these. And you want to talk about, like, to me, this kind of tastes like a Snickers, but this is personal. One for now, and I'll make more. But I'm just showing you. I'm not gonna do this now. I'll do this later. Yeah. But I'm making snacks now. For now, for my late at night snacks. But look at that. And then you pop the whole thing. Look at your appetizers too. Anyway, you're not supposed to eat with your mouth full. But what a sweet treat that is good for you right there. And these are 60% cacao. You can do, because 70, 75 is better. But I did these because they were cheap for dark chocolate. Alright. Who likes salmon lox? Because I do. But I don't really eat right. Sugars. Yeah. And carbs. Smoked salmon! That's just what you need for this, okay? I need to cut more cucumber. Remember, cucumber. And what do you need? Cream cheese. So, instead of a bagel, you're going to use these. Because I'm dropping them all over my kitchen. So, you can use these thinly sliced like crackers. But instead of a bagel, you're going to do cucumber. And then you're gonna take a little bit of that. And you can smear it on there like a cracker. Then you can go in here and pull your salmon out. Salmon, smoked salmon. Smoked salmon. Smoked salmon. Now, put a few pieces on there. So, like lox, but without the onions and stuff. You can put onions on this too and do lox. And yeah. That's amazing. Getting those good fish oils and stuff. Alright, next. Now, get some fresh mozzarella, cherry tomatoes, and the basil. This is how I do my snacking. And this your basil. Smells good. I would like my basil. So, basil. Cherry tomato. And some mozzarella. And you merge them. Like so. Like so. Like that. And then go in your mouth. Amazing. The last and final snack I have. Got all this good stuff right in here. Play over there. Do you really? Do you really? Strawberry! Yeah. Go experiment with your food. With snacking. Good. I like to snack sometimes. So, go, like, subscribe, check out the link below, and I'll see y'all later!